Hello everybody. The first thing you want to do here is go to thinkandgoallo.org, and once you get there, look down your lower left, you'll see something that says Order Allo. Click on that and that'll take you to the Forever Living business site. Click on Join, which brings you up to another menu that allows you to purchase the Start Your Journey package, which will automatically launch you into your 30% off. Or there are other options, and you can even continue without purchasing anything at this time. Just by signing up, you're going to receive a discount. Your sponsor information is right there with Erica, of course. And then it's going to prompt you for some personal information. Now don't worry, you're going to come to a section that says Social Security number, but you don't have to fill that in. After you're done filling in this information, it'll prompt you once more to another section, a little more personal information, and then it'll want to verify your address and continue from there. Once you're done with this sign-up process, you're now a Forever Living business owner, and you'll have a number just like Erica has at the very top of the screen. It's as easy as that. Now, thank you very much for joining, and go forward and enjoy the healing properties of aloe vera with a great company like Forever Living. Cheers.